Hello. Today I will be reviewing a portable cleaner kit that is most commonly used for AirPods, MacBooks, computers, pretty much anything that has spaces where dirt can collect. And sometimes it's hard to get that with either a towel or a rag, something that you have easily by your hand. So this thing, as you can see, is very, durable and portable. This cover case comes off, and as you can see, there are many different tools and features that come with. For starters is a cleaning spray that you would usually use for screens, either on your phone or on your computer. Here is a smaller brush that is used commonly for, getting in between keys or getting into your AirPod case. And then this feature is let me bust it out for you. It's more of like a soft, it's like the texture of a rag put onto a tip. So for example, a computer that has a little touch screen right here, it's very easy to take it and brush it along here to get any gunk or anything that's kind of built up on there. Obviously you can spray that cleaner spray onto there, and then it'll make it a lot easier. Over here on your far right, you have tools most commonly used for AirPods. As you can see, you can put these together like this to make it easier to hold. For a case like this, you might take an AirPod out and use this picker. You can get inside here, you can get down here on the microphones. This brush you can use to brush any dirt off the corners of the microphones. You can pop this off and ultimately use this pick to get nice, get it up in here if any dirt builds up. This is very helpful, and this is used to get inside of a case, something like there where you might not be able to get with your hand. Ultimately, I found it very helpful to use. I've used it with a lot of different things, and I use it all the time without even thinking about it. And then towards another fun feature with this, let me put this away, is a big brush on the top right here that pops out, and that is used for, you can brush keyboards off. You get anything with where dust particles might get that you might not even be able to see. I've kept my computer very clean throughout these past months of having this, and I think this is a very beneficial thing for people who use their products all over the place, use their computers, on the road, in the office, in your room, anywhere where there's different types of dust that'll collect up. It's really good for headphones. These are just the ones I have. You can use them for, Beats, Buds, pretty much anything of that nature. And yeah, this is a great product that I use all the time and would recommend. It even comes with, if you get the right thing, it can stick to the wall and it will just be there and you don't even have to worry about it. So thank you.